almost a lakh, I mean more than a lakh, precisely 1,07,000 students across the country have qualified NEET, all the Akashians. And if I talk about the JEE Advance, close to 2,500 students across the country from various branches of Aakash, they have qualified in the JEE Advance exam. If I talk about the top ranks in NEET, out of the top 10 ranks, 6 students, they are Akashians. And if we see the top 100 All India ranks, 57 of them are Akashians. If we talk about the state level performances, there also almost 19 states and union territories toppers, they are Akashians, and Goa is no exception. This year also we have the state topper, which is from the Aakash Madgaon branch. So congratulations to Madgaon branch for this wonderful achievement. And this is not only this year; it had been a tradition here. Year on year we produce the state toppers, and these students are not only performing well in state level, but they are getting decent ranks in top slots in national level as well. Be it the AIR 15 or AIR 24, what we are seeing here, these all are Goa students. So, when we talk about Goa, the first thing that comes into the mind of anybody is, travel and tourism. But after 10 years of, successful academic operations of Aakash here in Goa, I can proudly say that the students of Goa are, doing wonderfully well in the national level entrance exams like NEET and JEE, right? So, on this note, let me take this opportunity to congratulate all those students who have qualified NEET 2023, and they have, successfully achieved their goal of becoming future doctors, right? I'm sure that I'm very well aware that being a faculty, I'm very well aware that for the last 2 years you had been putting you completely the hard work that you would have been putting in. I mean, that is the reason because of which you have got this success. So congratulations to all of you. Your hard work has actually given you that output, that result. But this is just the stage one, right? Along with students, I would also like to congratulate the parents, because it's not only the hard work of students because of which this success was possible. It was your support, constant support, that for the 2 years you had been giving to your to your wards, and the faith and trust that you had in Aakash, because of which this result could be achieved. So congratulations to all of you, and thank you for trusting us and putting faith in us and supporting your child. Last but not the least, I would like to congratulate the academic as well as the non-academic team of Aakash Goa. I know that you all had been working day in day out for the last 2 years and giving your expert support to these students, and because of which this success could be achieved. So all in all, I think this grand celebration that we are doing today, this is the outcome of the hard work of all of you as a student, the support of all the parents and the trust of all the parents, and the expert guidance of the Aakash team. So congratulations once again to all of you. One piece of advice to all the future doctors here, as they say that success is not a destination; it is a journey, right? So your success journey just has begun, and this is the first step towards it. The way you had been working hard for the last 2 years, I'm sure it's been almost a month you all are into your medical studies. So you must be aware that how the next 5.5 years are going to be to get out of the college as a successful medical professional. So I wish you all good luck, and keep on doing the hard work the way you had been doing for the last 2 years. And I think at this note, I would again like to thank the organizing team here at Aakash Goa for giving this opportunity and for arranging this wonderful event.
आकाश बायजूस आज फेलिसिटेशन फंक्शन गोवा युनिवर्सिटीत केला. तांचे आजचो सन्मान जो भुरग्यांचो आमी केला, गौरव केला, तें पळयत जाल्यार दे आर डुईंग व्हेरी वेल इन गोवा. Because almost say about 60 students have been felicitated today. Those who join only for medical. आणि तातूंतले एक चल एक कुलकर्णी म्हणून एम्सांत 28व्या नंबराचेर आसा, तेंय आज आजिल्लें. हांव सगळ्या भुरग्यांचें अभिनंदन करतां, तांच्या आवय बापायचें अभिनंदन करतां. कारण योग्य निर्णय घेवन तांणी आकाश बायजूस क्लासेस तांकां दिले. आनी जवळ जवळ आमची गोंयची 60 भुरगीं त्या शिवाय आनी आसतलीं, पूण आकाश बायजू क्लासेसांत जाणी फक्त नीटाक बशिल्लीं ती 60 भुरगीं आसा. त्या शिवाय NITक आसा, म्हणजे ती वेगळी. त्यानंतर IITक आसा आनी बाकीची जी रिजनल इंजिनियरींग कॉलेजीस आसा, मागीर स्टेट वायज कॉलेजीस आसा, तातूंतूय तांचे भरपूर भुरगे आयला. हाचे वयल्यान एक सिद्ध जाता गोवा इज प्रोग्रेसींग. नंबर ऑफ ट्युशन क्लासीस जे आसा बरे बरे नॅशनल लेवलाचे, ते गोंयांत येता आनी ताजो फायदो आमचो भुरग्यांक जाता. हें पळोवन खूब बरें दिसता. अशेंच काम मुखारूय जावपाक जाय अशें म्हाका दिसता.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.